So I came across an heirloom strawberry. It's called an heirloom pineberry. It is a white variety. I came across this at a nursery the other day. According to this tag, it says they were recovered from extinction. And since it has some berries on it already, I have been able to try a couple. And they're very, very soft. And they have a light, very light strawberry taste to them. So this is a really cool new addition to the garden that I'm excited about. And at some point soon, I'll have, I think I have 7 or 8 different varieties now in the garden. I'll be doing like a taste test between all of them, seeing how they differ. That'll be really fun. So yeah, these are really interesting. I hope that I'm able to keep them alive, because if it says that they were saved from extinction, then it might be a challenge. We'll see. And I will be propagating more of these, because it looks like there's more than one in there. So yeah, that's pretty exciting. I've heard about white strawberries, but have never seen them before or tried them. So it's definitely something new for me.